Hi, this is Vaishnavi. I have completed my graduation in Jayamukhi Institute of Technological Science in 2020. After completion of my graduation, I have 2 years of gap. Then after one of my friend has suggested about Evision. Then I have searched in Google and I have contacted for Anamika regarding this. Anamika has explained me about the Evision very briefly, like duration of course and certification and fee details, everything. Then after I have decided to join in Evision, I have joined and I completed 45 days of my course. After completion of my course, they have started my interviews. Then I have given my interviews and now I have selected in AGS with 2.1 LPA as a service desk engineer in Hyderabad. uh, Thanks a lot for Evision. They have motivated me everything, and also they have given a lot of knowledge about technology. Thanks a lot, total team, and also special thanks for Anamika. Thanks.